that was going to Torrance. I was gonna take it, but this is what I mean. If I didn't have to drive home, like I could have made a little bit more money today. But let's see where the queue is at. Oh, that was out of line. That popped out before the queue. Interesting. And you guys know I like to mix it up. It's gonna get dark pretty soon. So Uncle Ahmed, Uncle Uber. By the way, I'm Uncle Uber. I'm gonna read you some of the responses. I'm getting better at now. I'm not responding while I'm making a video. I respond to everybody and then I'm gonna read to you what's going on, especially if there's something nice worth talking about. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Hi guys, I started driving part-time a month ago. I live close to your area. I always start local and for the most part clear $100 in 5 to 6 hours. That's pretty good, and I want you guys to understand, when you're a new driver, Uber will do that because it wants to suck you in. And in a couple of months, tell me if you're doing the same thing. Because eventually, once your referral and bonuses go and you become a driver for Uber, I don't think you'll be able to make $100 in 5 to 6 hours unless you're doing like some crazy amount of rides. But let me know, okay? Not sure if you've tried this local for a whole day. So my response was, I have tried staying local and it has worked for me in the past. It actually has. Where are you going? Now I have to pay attention to what's popping up because I'm at the airport. Long Beach, 11 bucks. Well, I'm not even gonna look. Oh, this is cool. Okay, a flight landed because my turn looks like it's coming up. But we're gonna keep reading comments. Oh, 1 out of 5. Yep, it's gonna keep barking. I'm sorry. I gotta be nice because, you know, come on. I gotta be nice. Okay, my response was, I have tried. I gotta put this on so I can hear it. I have tried staying local. It has worked for me in the past. I'm going to try to stay local tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm gonna try, guys. I made a mistake today. I tried today, but it was so slow. I ended up. It's not $15, bro. It's not $15, and it's not going home. Can't do. Oh, it's only 4 miles. Oh. Give me 15, Uber. Give me 15. I'll go 15. I'm negotiating with Uber, my friends. Now, I might get put at the end of the comfort list. So, if it gives me a warning, I might have to take anything that it gives me. And then slowly drive to John Wayne Airport. Because I want to be at John Wayne Airport by 6 if I can. Let's see what happens. I can't even finish one comment. Basically, what I was trying to say on that one is I'm going to try to drive local tomorrow. I tried to drive local today, but it was so slow and I made some mistakes. My mileage is way over than the amount of money I've made. So, hey, my mistakes, you guys learn, keeps the trolls happy. It's all good. We're a big, happy family. All right. Next question. Was crazy in Boise this morning due to 8 inches of snow stacked for 3.5 hours in my 4-wheel drive truck. 9 rides, $95. Uber, this is my first week. The same thing. I was basically telling him, welcome to the family, but eventually understand it's going to get harder, have a plan B. And this is kind of nice. I'm getting people that are out of California also following me, which means my channel is doing pretty good. It's attracting local people as well as people outside of California. So Google algorithm is doing a fantastic job. Okay, Suzanne, she is a possible consulting opportunity for me because I've been helping her. We were actually texting each other yesterday for almost half an hour. She's supposed to give me 5 questions, but she hasn't. But let's see what she has to say over here. I had a problem with your videos cutting out about halfway today. I was just watching this one and it cut out around the 3-minute mark. Okay, so I believe this happens because I'm creating content real time. For some reason, I've even noticed it happens to me where some videos cut out. What I do is I restart my cell phone or restart my laptop, and then eventually it starts working for me. But I think, Suzanne, this is happening when I'm uploading a video and you're watching it like within like 15-30 minutes of me uploading, because it happens to me also. But after an hour or 2, it ends up working out, especially if I restart my cell phone and restart my laptop. Try that, okay? And this is a cool comment from her. Hey, have you ever checked out Claremont? With 5 colleges there, I would think there might be some action and fairly close to the airport. And I love this. Like, people on my channel are telling me about spots that I haven't mentioned in my previous video. So she's absolutely right. San Dimas, Claremont colleges, Scripps. It's a hot spot to get rides, especially when students are in session, okay? And I have driven there. Sam I Minika, I hope I pronounced that right. This person, I don't know if it's male or female. Actually, 92% males follow me, and Suzanne's kind of easy to tell if she's a female. Great comment, dude. I like this one. As soon as a message from trip coordinator came up, equal cancel. And I agree with that. Like, look, I've got notes on guest ride, and I think hopefully I get to it tomorrow. And I was making some videos with ChatGPT's help on this. Basically, what I've realized is 99% of the time, guest ride means turn it off. Oof. Yeah, I'm gonna end up at the end of the queue, and I don't want to go that way. That's not home. That's not home, Uber. And I'm being nice to Uber right now because I want to get a ride going home. See, my one advantage is, let me show you, home is this way, guys. Oh, home is this way, guys. My one advantage is I drive all over Southern California, and I drive almost 15 to 18 hours a day. So you guys can learn a lot from me because I'm all over the place when I'm driving. All right, let's finish the comments. Yeah, so on this, I basically told her, we have to deal with drug addicts with guest rides. You have to deal with psychotic patients, and we're dealing with homeless people. I wrote it somewhere here. And people coming out of a rehab, right? Hey, these kind of looks like eyeballs right there. So yeah, in my opinion, no more guest rides. And it's like Uber Eats, don't do alcohol. Because when you do alcohol deliveries, you have to take a picture. Sometimes people don't have it. You're not supposed to leave the alcohol. Potentially you can get in trouble by the law. So it's just better not to deal with it. So in my opinion, actually this morning the ride was $48, right? It would have been nice, but you know, I worked it out. I ended up making my money. Okay, who's the last comment? Make sure you, oh yeah, this is why I started saying, okay, I got to read my comments. Check this one out. This is a really cool comment. Make sure you always keep your app on, even in drives you don't want a rider. No such thing as dead miles. Uber calculates all miles for taxes. I didn't know that. Can somebody confirm that for me? Because this is a very, very, very good tip. Because I think it also helps with Prop 22, if you know what I mean. Because now I've cleared out all the comments that I haven't responded to. Now let's see if there's anything on other videos that I've posted. A couple more. No problem. Let me respond to this, and then I'll upload one more video for you guys. You know what's cool is if you guys watch the videos like this, here, check it out. I was, you know, I watch my own podcast, believe it or not. Check this out. Today's Wednesday, right? I'm gonna change the color of the thumbnails, but check this out. If you go over here, when I make it available, right now it might not be available for you, but when you click on Wednesday, hopefully by tomorrow I'll have this updated, and you hit play all, it plays everything from last week. Like this is last week, okay? Then, and it's in order, so you can actually follow it like a Netflix episode, binge watch it, right? And today's is right here, so you'll be able to like listen to this whole thing in order. Tell me if you prefer this, because I've been listening to my own videos. I got, as you can see, the red bar right here, right? I got this one done, this one done, this one done, and I'm right about here. But what this does is it allows me to listen to my podcast from A to Z in the right order. And believe it or not, but I'm sitting here, I'm laughing at my own jokes, I'm laughing at my own videos, and the pace feels pretty good. But honestly, you guys have to give me a feedback. Do you like it? Do you not like it? But by the time I get done, look at how many videos I've made. Look, 5 minutes, 6, 11, 20, 30, 40, 50, 53, 63, 65, 15, 80, 80 plus 20, 92 plus 10, 102, 110, 120. That's 2 hours of content of me driving and giving you strategy, telling you what I do. Dude, that's insane. That's 2 hours of content I'm putting up per day. And I'm still going. There's another 10-minute video. I actually ran out of numbers. I have to go make more numbers because there's another video I posted. This is another one. This is the 14th video I posted today, which means I'm almost putting out 2 or 3 hours of content, but 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 8 minutes, 3 minutes at a time. And you can read the titles to figure out what you want to watch, or you can watch the whole thing from beginning to end, like Netflix. Binge watch this, baby. Binge watch this. Let's see what my queue looks like. All right, not bad. Hey, another video is going up, guys. I'm gonna say responding to your comments. Still waiting at Long Beach.